This is the loafers which I'm trying to unbox today. Got it from Gucci. These are the men's double G loafers which I'm unboxing. So this is like the new green theme which Gucci has come up with for delivering packages. So this is the box. So it comes with just a couple of booklets in there, good wrapping. Each of those come with like shoes and like wrapping inside, so you can see those backs for each of the shoes with stuff material to make sure we take care of this. So let's open up one of those. These are the ones loafers which I got for myself. And you can see this has the soft leather on the back, so you can use it as a slip-on.